Potoler Dalna. I've got my Potol, Parwal, pointed gourd, and I've peeled it like that, like zebra stripe, and halved it. So when it's full, it looks like this and green, but that's how you do this. And now, normally, Bengalis would fry it in oil. I just air fried with a little bit of oil. I've poured in a little bit of oil and massaged it into the parwal, and then I'm just going to sprinkle some salt and put it in the air fryer for a good 5-10 minutes. I think 10 minutes. 10 minutes might shrink it. 8 minutes. We'll have a look at 5. Parwal is going into the air fryer. We're going to turn it on and we're going to put it in for a good 8 minutes. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to put all the masalas in. So we're going to start with chili powder, about a teaspoon. We're going to put cumin powder, 2 masala spoons, and about 4 of the coriander. 4 of the spoons, really heat, 3, 4. And then we're going to put some garam masala, which I don't have here. Just give me a second. Since I don't have garam masala at home, I'm making my own. So I've got cardamoms, cloves, and a cinnamon stick. You can put in bay leaves as well. Mix it. And there you have it, freshly ground garam masala. Cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, bay leaves, roast it, put it in, blitz it. Fabulous, fresh, delightful garam masala. And so we're going to put some garam masala, a couple of these spoons, and we're going to put in some turmeric, and then we're going to add some water. We're going to give this thing a mix and blend all the masalas. And when we are cooking, you'll see what we do with this masala mix. 8-10 minutes, and this is what the potol looks like. Normally I'd put potatoes in this dish, but today I'm feeling a bit lazy, so I'm not putting potatoes in, but it's great with potatoes. I'm sure my daughter is going to say, where are the potatoes? So, oil and jeera, which is cumin seeds, a couple of green chilies, cumin seeds will go in. We're just going to put about that much spice spoon, bigger size spice spoon in. And then when it crackles, I like to put some dried red chilies too. Chili. I've got these really nice, spicy, small, dried red chilies. So we crumble that in. And then goes in the mix that I've made. Masala mix. I'm just going to let it crackle. It's not yet reached the crackling point. Now they've popped and browned. Now I'm putting in. Should I show it to you close? I think I should. Let me flip the camera. And then the air fried potol parwal goes in, and you just cover it and cook it for a little bit, and it's ready. Did I put salt? Need to make sure you put salt. I know I put a little salt in the parwal, but the curry needs salt. So a bit more salt. You can always add more if you need later, but that is Potoler Dalna. I'm just gonna let it cook through a little and it's ready. A bit guilty, didn't put in the potatoes, so I'm putting some potatoes in. Just gonna quickly microwave it so that it's half cooked. Same thing to the potatoes. I've taken a couple of potatoes, I've sliced them, I've put some salt and some turmeric. I'm going to put it in the air fryer for 10 minutes and then drop it in with the curry. Add some grated ginger. I love this handy device. Don't have to bring out the big. So about half an inch of ginger grated. Gives it a really nice kick. And you put it in towards the end so that you really get the taste, the flavor of it. And then you take your crispy potatoes from the air fryer, drop it in, and I'm going to turn on the heat of this, which I had put on low to medium. Put some water and let it cook for another 5 minutes and then it will be ready. And that is the final Potoler Dalna. Just to show you that the potatoes are done. It goes in easily.